Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to optimize Google Chrome for lightning fast performances. Whether you're dealing with slow loading pages or laggy tabs, these simple steps will boost your browser speed. So let's get started to make Chrome lightning fast. The first thing we are going to do is to check if Chrome is up to date. To do that, go in the right top corner to the three dot menu, click with your left mouse button. From the menu, go to Help and then choose for About Chrome. In the next window you can see if Chrome is up to date. If Chrome is not up to date, the update will download and you can install it. Only this step can improve memory use by 22%. The next step is to close unused tabs. If you have several tabs open, close the ones that you don't really need. You can go over each tab to see how much they use of your memory. These unused tabs eat up your memory, so close them. Again, we're gonna use the three dot menu in the upper right corner. Just click it and from the menu choose for extensions. Next you choose manage extensions, click it with your left mouse button. Here you can see all the extensions that are installed on your computer. If you have extensions you want to delete, just click on the remove button and the extension will be deleted. If you are not sure if you want to delete it or keep it, just turn it off to see what it will do, and you can decide later if you want to delete it or keep it. Do this, remove all the unnecessary extensions. It can slow your browser drastically down. You already know it by now. Just go to the top right corner, click on the three dots with your left mouse button. From the menu, choose delete browsing data. Just click it with the left mouse button. You can see you have two choices, basic or advanced. You can set the time range. We're gonna leave it on all time. Then you have different choices. You can check the boxes if you want to delete the data. The important thing is to read the information before you delete the data. If you have made your choice, just click delete data to delete the data. The advanced tab is almost the same. You still can choose your time range and you can check the boxes you want to delete. If you make your choice, just click on delete data. Back to the three dots on the top right corner, just click it with the left mouse button. From the menu choose settings. From the left menu choose for performance. Now go to the memory section, be sure that it is on and choose for maximum. Then go to the power section, turn energy saver, turn it on and make your choice between turn on only when your battery is at 20% or lower, or choose turn on when your computer is unplugged. Make the choice that's best for you. And that's it. By updating Chrome, trimming tabs, cleaning up extensions and enabling performance mode, you'll notice a faster, smoother browsing experience. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and share for more tech tips.